Alright, this is the mastery check for 5.01, day 1. A really important thing to help you on this mastery check is knowing the words that were in the notes from 5.01, day 1. So we're going to be really using our keywords here. So the phrase for number 1 says 5 more than some number x. I'm going to notice that word more than as a keyword that means addition. It means that I have 5 more than some number x. Next one, x less than 8. Less than is my keyword and it means to subtract. But remember that in subtraction the order matters and that what comes first is the starting amount and what comes after the subtraction sign is what we're taking away. So if I have x less than 8, that actually means that I'm starting with 8 and I am taking away x. So notice that 8 came first in my algebraic expression, even though it came second in my phrase. Number 3, the difference between 20 and some number p. Difference is my keyword. That's going to be 20 minus p, because difference means to subtract. Number 4, 13 less than some number b. So again, we've got this keyword of less than. So it's important that we pay attention to the order we're writing this in, because in subtraction order matters. 13 less than some number b means I'm starting with b and I'm subtracting 13. So again, take a look at how less than here switched the order from the phrase to the algebraic expression, just like less than here switched the order of 13 and b from the phrase to the algebraic expression. Okay, number 5, the quotient of 15 and some number z. That is, quotient is our keyword, and it means to divide. So I'm going to write 15 and some number z. Next one, 3 times the sum of 15 and x. And here I have a grouping phrase. The sum of is a grouping phrase. It tells you that the things that come after it are going to be grouped in parentheses. So I have 3 times the sum of 15 and x. I can write that like this. Remember, this means multiplication. Alright, 5 less than the product of some number and 8. Product is another, the product of is another grouping phrase. It means that these things are going to come in parentheses. So 5 less than the product of some number and 8. I'm going to do my grouping first. Product means multiply, so some number and 8 is going to be x times 8, or you could write 8x. And then I'm taking 5 less than that. There's my less than again. I've got to pay attention to the order. This means I'm taking away 5 from this. So here's my starting amount. I am taking away 5. Make sure it's in that order. Number 8, 2 times the amount, 5 minus x. The amount you'll find in your grouping phrases. 5 minus x is what's going to be grouped. The things right after the words the amount. So I'm going to show that, 5 minus x, and then it says to take 2 times that. So I'm going to take 2 times this amount. Number 9, twice the quantity 18 plus a number b. The quantity is another grouping phrase that we have. So these things come in parentheses. So twice the quantity, 18 plus a number b, is going to be 2 times 18 plus b, just like that. 18 and b is our group. Twice that means 2 times that. Last one, 8 divided by the sum of 3 and some number. There's the sum of as our grouping phrase. 3 and some number are what are being grouped. 3 and some number. And then 8 divided by that. So I want to take 8 divided by this quantity.